Yep, so today we are going to do basic input for character. We want to do like a jump functionality, so under quick minutes and under 6 quick minutes, and let's do this. So quickly I'll make a new level, basic level, and let's do like some quick organizations. I'll do an art folder, I'll do another blueprints, and another maps. So under maps is where we'll save our level, and we can name it testing map. Then let's go ahead and do some quick setup of our characters. So there's like a proper way of doing it, but I want to start like from a person who doesn't know shit about making games. I mean, if you want to learn, I know there's a lot of masters out there, and the basic steps for me doing it is just to create a class, name it a character, and I'll call it bpc blueprint character underscore base. So when I open our base character, you'll notice there's a few properties here. I think you're all familiar with a mesh and a movement component. This is where that defines our character's movement. Maybe if he's flying, swimming, or so. This is a mesh. This is just a visual representation of our character. Then there is a capsule component that enhances the mesh. So the first thing that I'd like to do, since we don't have any visual representation of our character, I'll take hidden in game so that we get to see the capsule inside the game. And the second thing that we do real quick, I'll just delete the player start and drag, let's not drag our base character, let's create a child of our base character and name it player. So it's a blueprint character, that's player. When you open it, you'll notice that by default, if we take a look at the capsule component, the hidden in game is not checked, since we had set it up for on the base character. So if you don't know anything about this, it's basic inheritance. The player is the child of the base character. We can create other characters, and that can be children of the base character, so never mind. So this is like a basic way of, like, if I create a functionality on the base character, it will be passed straight to the player character, so that I don't have to do some double work. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and drag our character into the scene. And the second thing is to ensure that I do possess my character when I play the game. So I'll search on the details panel and search possess. So auto possess player and set it to from disabled to player 0. So when I hit play, we should be able to see the lines of our capsule component, but we can't move, we can't look around, we can't jump. So to set up our quick jump button, I'll just open the player blueprint and inside the event graph, I'll call the function jump. So it's also important to note that these functions were like well defined by the developers of the engine. So once, if you want to look for something, just try and search for its English name. If it's not there, you can create like a custom function of it. So when I hit jump, we can see this like a well written C++ code for jumping. So I want to press space, the space bar, to be my jump button. So what I'll do, I'll just drag from jump and I'll type spacebar. Yeah, it pops up, and I want this to be, I want the jump to fire once I release the spacebar. So I'll hit compile real quick and go back to our level, and when I hit play and press space, nothing happens, but when I release it, you can see my character is jumping on release. Yeah, and I think that makes our 6 minutes for today. Have a good evening.